What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform any photo into the cool yearbook animation, and don't worry because this is 100% for free. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Pixverse AI, and here I am accessing it with my PC. And if you would like to access it from your smartphone or the tab, it is very okay guys, because it is accessible there. And also, if you do the login for the user or the new user even, they will also provide you the credits to try everything in it. So don't worry about it, to try maybe generate the video animation or try several cool templates over here. And if you run out of the credit in case, don't worry, because they will also provide you or give you back the 60 credits, and it will be renewed every single day at 0 UTC. So you need to stay tuned, and you will see the credit will be added into your account. And let's go back to this home page, and this is the look. And after that, you can start to choose the template, this one or this one. Which one do you prefer? Everything works over here. And after that, you can start to choose the template over here, and I will type the yearbook or just year like this. And after that, you will find the yearbook US yearbook flash, this one. And after that, I will choose the picture. And before you generate it, that this template also will show you the preview when you would like to try this template guys. For example, like this. Even you don't click it. Isn't that cool, right? And you can also try the several settings over here. For the particular settings that contains the diamond, it means that you need to upgrade this version to become pro. So you can continue to purchase their package or subscribe this package. There are the standard, pro, and premium, from the yearly until the monthly guys. Which one do you prefer? And after that, you can continue to click create, and kindly wait for the generation process, and it will be show the output in this section. So make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. And after waiting for a while, and this will be the result. Okay, wow, the transformation is quite cool. And if you would like to download it with or without the watermark, then you can choose one. And if you would like to choose the watermark free, then again you need to upgrade it into the pro version first. And you can also simply share it into your favorite social media like this by copy the link. And after that, you can share it into your favorite social media. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.